Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix a bank account linking issue and add to PayPal from Payonner. If your Payonner bank account isn't linking to PayPal, it's usually because of a mismatch in your account details, an unsupported bank account, or a verification issue. Before trying again, make sure your PayPal account and your Payonner receiving account meet PayPal's requirements. Now let's get started. First, sign into your PayPal account. Now go to Wallet and select Link a Bank Account. Then enter your Payonner bank account details exactly as they appear in your Payonner account. After that, make sure the name on your PayPal account matches the name on your Payonner account. Now check that your PayPal account and the bank account are registered in the same country and support the same currency. In some countries, PayPal also accepts eligible US bank accounts. Then confirm that your Payonner receiving account is supported by PayPal, as some online-only or prepaid bank accounts can't be linked. If your bank account has already been linked to 3 different PayPal accounts in the past, it can't be linked to another PayPal account. Also, make sure the bank account isn't connected to a PayPal account with a limitation or a negative balance. If you're asked to verify your bank account, enter the confirmation details carefully. If you enter the verification information incorrectly 3 times, the bank account may be disabled and removed from your PayPal account. Finally, if the problem still isn't resolved, contact PayPal support and ask them to reactivate the bank account in their system before trying to link it again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.